Hey, welcome back to Retro Tech or Die. Not our normal fare here, as you can see. I am traveling right now, so a little different setup. I want to kind of revisit a topic I did maybe a year ago with my son, where we had a STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math project, and it was a doodlebot, had markers on it, and a motor with a counterweight that spun, and it would doodle on a piece of paper, right? Because I think projects like this are incredibly important for children, even if they don't go into a STEM field. Now, as you'd expect, my daughter, who's a little younger, was incredibly jealous of this. It's gotten to a point where I think she's more capable of doing a project like this. So that's what we did, and that's what this video is about. I understand it's not what we normally do here. I'd like to share it with you, but if it's not up your alley, that's fine. I'm really doing it for my daughter. But the last thing I want to leave with you is I think projects like this are important. If you're a parent or a guardian, or you have young children in your family or your life, or you're an educator or something, um, doing STEM projects are really good because the children are doing something with their hands, they're accomplishing something, they're building it, they're finishing it, and they get to see the whole process. And I think it makes them more confident in troubleshooting electronics and just more well-rounded. So I think they're worth it. And I think that if you like my other videos on this channel, you might agree with me. So let's kick over to the build. If this is where we part on this video, like, subscribe, tell your friends, and we got some good videos coming up down the road.
Okay, Anna, what are we building today?
We're gonna make a bubble machine.
Okay, so why don't we look at the instructions and let's make sure we have all of our parts, okay? Can you open this up and put all the parts out?
Yes.
Okay. Do we have a green plastic board?
Yes.
Okay, put it over here. Do we have blue bubble hoops?
Yes.
Okay, what about, oh, here's our plastic tray. Okay. Do we have a red fan?
Yes.
Do we have an orange motor mount?
Yes.
An orange plastic bar?
Yes.
A battery box?
Is this it?
Yep, that's it. A motor?
Yes.
Okay, why don't you put the motor over here, honey, so we can see. And then in that, you don't have to open it yet, we got screws, a bracket, double-sided tape, and a fitting. Yep, it looks like everything's there. Okay, so,
Double-sided tape.
yep, it's all there. Okay, so open that up now, and we're going to have to do the first part.
Just hold.
Do you need help?
No, I got it.
Okay, alright, I'll take the bag.
The video already stopped.
Yes. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, fix the battery box and the connecting fitting on the plastic board with the screw. So look, we need, yep, that. And the battery box. Well, no. So look how little it is, like this. Okay. Yep. And look, they have that blue fitting. Yep. Just like that. So make it, no, flip it the other way. See how those two, yep, good. Okay, so first, we'll look at, here, I'll do one, and then you can do the other one, okay? We're going to get this. We'll work in the battery box first. And we're going to screw it in. Okay, you can use a screw, and I'll open it up. Can you put it in right there?
Yeah.
See where that hole is? Line it up with the hole in the bottom.
I want to screw it.
Okay, there you go.
Ah.
screw first. Uh-oh. Here, let me see this. So we'll put them in there. Nope, not that one. Okay, and now there we go. I'll do one side and you can do the other, okay?
Daddy.
Hmm.
What is that?
Anna, we're doing this right now, honey. Okay. Okay. Can you put a check mark on the first box because we're done with it?
This one?
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So the second one now, connect the battery box to the motor. So, yep. So you see these little loops? What we're going to do, I'll do this.
Oh, I know.
Yep. Pull those off. Twist, yep. Pull it off. Okay. So look, I'm going to take it through here. We'll solder it later, but for now, and we'll twist it. Okay. Do you think you can?
Yeah, I can
Okay.
do. There's a X.
Yep. Just put it right. Oh, here, let me get a straight one there. Okay. Now try to get it through.
Let me do it.
Okay. Do you need help, honey? No? Let me see. Okay, yep. So here. There you go. Don't write on there. Okay, we'll fix that up later. Alright, so let's go. Step 3.
Wait, let's mark off the second
No,
one.
I need pictures of those. Okay. So step 3. Place the motor mount on the motor and fix the bracket and motor mount with the plastic screws. Okay, so it looks like
Somehow that fits.
no, I think they want this way. Yep, just like
And
that.
then we need this to go somewhere over.
Well, let's make it like this. Okay. It looks like that. Oh, no, I see. Like that. Okay. This is very tricky. It's not long enough.
They said plastic. What do they mean about plastic? Is this plastic?
No, stay close, honey. Yeah. Okay. Anna? Okay, so fix the plastic bar to the connecting fitting of the plastic board. Okay, so it looks like it goes like that. Okay, so look. Boop, 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 boop.
Now I know what it
Well,
is.
wait. Let's read the instructions first. Insert the fan onto the motor shaft. So get the fan. And see that hole? Line it up with that. No, just push it. Push it on. Yep. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So now connect the straight and the Z rod to form a crank. So look, we have a straight rod and this Z rod. So it looks like this is going to go
Here.
Wait. Uh-oh. Okay, can you put the Z rod on there? Here, I'll hold this. And you put it right in there. Now, put the rod through. Okay. Does that look like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, step 7. So insert the crank into the bracket and fix it with the washers. Okay. Okay. So I think, no, not this yet. So they want this to go, actually, we'll do this. Put it through here. We'll probably put one in the middle. Okay. And we'll put another washer here. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Says now stick the plastic tray here with double-sided tape. Do you know how to use this?
Yeah.
Okay, can you take one of the sides off? I'll do the other one.
On the sides.
Yep. Okay, and put yours right next to mine. Right there. Okay, take the top off.
You want me to help you?
Maybe, can you get that one? Good job. Okay, and this will go right there. Okay. Now, insert the bubble hoops into the hand crank. So just like that. Oh, I see the problem. enough room. Almost hitting the side. And
Wait, I want.
oh wait, no, because look, it's too low, so it's hitting the bottom. So we got to move this up. Okay. See, look.
Yeah.
Something was hitting. Oh, I think it was over here. Okay. So let's get ready for the bubbles. Here, let's lay this down. Let's get all this out of the way. Okay, I'll put this here. Okay, hold on. Wait, not yet, honey.
I'm so excited.
Okay, let's put some batteries in first. Can you carefully bring the bubble over?
It's hot. Did you use hot water?
It might still be hot, yeah. Okay, here. Okay, carefully and slowly turn that hand crank. Whoa!
Wait, can I still fly?
We'll show them in a second.